Well, it was the 5th edition of TechDays, which is kind of an achievement, I think. It's like quite a record. TechDays is meant to be a forum, and a forum by definition is a place where you exchange, where you interact. And one way of interacting is organizing workshops. You know, TechDays, that's maybe another difference to other events, is only possible by the cooperation of many different partners and players. So we try to unite all the platforms that are driving digital innovation in Munich and beyond to make a real meaningful event. So this is not the event of that organization or that organization, but it's a combined event. It's a real goodwill event.
The Tech Days were special for us because it was one of the best events in Munich to meet Munich's brightest students, promising customers and strong investors. We are a B2B startup, so building personal relationships with people is key for our business. So the Tech Days were the perfect opportunity for us to get in touch with local business decision makers in Munich.
I think it's the combination between maybe bigger companies and well-known companies in the industry, and also startups, from startups that have been running for a few years in the business to startups that have been recently launched. So I think the combination from young and entrepreneurship startups and well-settled companies make Tech Days a very good.
I love the format. It's such a great network. People are exchanging all the time, and I really get inspired during the Tech Days. There's so great people, great startups, and great ideas around. So I love that format, especially because it's not one direction, it's open your views and brings in different kind of ideas.
If I have to explain what Tech Days is in a word, I will say innovation.
Improvisation.
Awesome.
Innovation.
Inspiring.
Innovation Fairground.
Zukunftstechnologien.
Digitale Transformation.